Hello everyone, hey, in this video we'll discuss how to install YouTube Music on Chromebook. So with that being said, let's get started. On Chromebook there are two ways to install YouTube Music. One is using the Google Chrome browser and another one is using the Google Play Store. Let me show you both the method. First let us discuss how we can install YouTube Music using Google Chrome browser. For that, open Google Chrome browser on a Chromebook and visit music.youtube.com. Don't worry about the link, I'll provide the link in the description box. Now to install it, simply click on this three dot icon. Here click on save and share and click on install YouTube Music option. And here you will find install apps window. Here click on install. And this will install YouTube Music PWA on your Chromebook. For quick access, you can simply pin this YouTube Music shortcut to your Chromebook self. For that, right click on it, then click on pin. However, now if you want to install the full version of YouTube Music for your Chromebook, then you can install it from the Google Play Store. For that, open Google Play Store and search for YouTube Music for Chromebook and select it from the search result and click on install button and wait for the installation process to complete. Once done, you can simply click on this open button, or else you can open YouTube Music from the app launcher. For that, simply click on app launcher. Here you will get the YouTube Music application. Simply open it. And here we have our YouTube Music application. So that's it. This is the method you can use to install YouTube Music on your Chromebook. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.